Whoopsie. Peekaboo. There you are. Morning, everyone. Wednesday, the 28th of January. January's almost gone. Let me see. Yesterday, we finished okay. 167.26. We're off to 21 today. 15 orders going out for 121. A lot of airplane cards going out today. It's a kind of not funny, haha, but just not even amusing. Interesting. That some days I might only sell, one, maybe two airplane cards, and then the next day it's the majority of my listings going out. So, how were your sales yesterday? Except mine were okay. A lot of airplane cards. What was I gonna say? What am I trying to say? It doesn't look like my eBay standard envelope that I took to the post office Monday. No scans. The first class stuff has scans, but the eBay standard envelope, or the Ground Advantage have scans. The eBay standard envelope, no scans. And I did see the eBay, will take care of your feedback, those affected by the storm, blah 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 blah. So I haven't, again, knock on wood, most of my stuff has not been too affected, but sorry, I'm got the squirrel back. All their stuff was buried under snow. There's that one. And got that, and trying to do this and talk and concentrate on finding the cards. There we go. So, as normal, all over the place this morning. Well, I mentioned yesterday, I woke up to the light switch. Ooh, boy, that's creased. I hope I talk about the crease. The light switch in the kitchen had gone out. I wonder. Crap. Hold on. I'm sorry. Please, original code. I don't talk about. It's kind of creased. I didn't notice it. I took an offer. Anyway, I got it's a three-way switch. Got the one changed. Got the lights on and off, but the satellite dimmer ain't working, so I gotta replace that. I may refund some of this. I know I don't have to, but that's a pretty noticeable crease that I didn't notice. Let me see if it's closer in the picture. It's kinda there. I just hate doing that I didn't notice a pretty significant crease that, again, I probably should have noticed. Oh, that ain't gonna work, John. I don't know. Do you guys do this? If you notice an issue, you just let it fly and hope the buyer doesn't notice? Yeah, I think I'm going to give this guy a little bit of a refund. Squirrel. I gave him good nuts. See all the good nuts, peanuts, and some walnuts, and some other ones. I sent the guy $5 back, with a note that's saying that, it is visible, but I probably should have denoted it in the listing. Just, I'd rather do that up front. Although that's not, what is it? It's better to ask for forgiveness than ask for permission. I don't know if this falls under that, but it's the right thing to do. And I told him I have free returns if he finds that it's too bad. Oh well, that's what happens when you list just too quick, and you don't, because I don't list from the cards anymore. I used to have the stack of cards in front of me, had this big magnifying glass, so my shitty eyes, I can see the words, and I don't do that anymore. I have a monitor upstairs that's 4 feet wide. I got one of those nice big curved, huge monitor. Great for gaming, by the way. And another airplane card. So I'm able to have like 3 full screens across it, and I list from the pictures on one side. I have my research tabs, eBay, WorthPoint, Terapeak up in the middle, and then on the one side is where my 6-bit listing I'm working from. So I don't have to strain my eyes. I can just look at the pictures, and I can lean back and list. Before, I'd always be hunched over looking at stuff. Okay, you don't need to know all that. A couple more airplanes. So, like I said, maybe I could have sent it through, and the guy's like never even said a word. Maybe he leaves a neutral or a negative. Maybe he returns it. I don't know. Just to me, it's best to get in front of. Own up to your mistakes. That's just me. I did get a question in my comments yesterday, and I did answer it in the comments, but I'll address it here. The question was that this person's going to start like a 3rd store, and they're going to, for the categories, that's going to be all United States, and he wanted to know, should he, or she, do each state as their category, and then under each state, should he list all the cities? I think you're only, allowed 250 categories and subcategories. I may be wrong on that. But my suggestion would be to go ahead, do your store as all states, and then under, California, list the big ones: San Francisco, Los Angeles, San Diego. Just list all the big ones, but then a category have cities A through G, and then cities whatever L through P or Q. Just do it alphabetical chunks. That way you don't have to spend time. Well, is this Oak? You have to go find Oakland. You can just put it under the O. I don't know if that makes sense. It made sense to me this morning when I thought of it. Oh, I got this over here. Let me find this. That's my old inventory system was like that, not kind of like that. I'd have, the big cities that I knew that I had multiple cards under. They had their own tab, and then, some I had maybe just had tab A, and all the A cities were done under that, and then B and so forth. But then some of the places where I didn't have a whole bunch, I would do groups of letters under one tab. So that might work for you. Okay, well, yeah, lots of airplanes today. So I did get 8 listings done. 8 listings done in 6-bit yesterday. I started working, and my wife asks if I had seen a neighbor 2 doors down recently, and I hadn't. And he hadn't shoveled his sidewalk or his driveway, and his mail was stacked up in his mailbox. And another neighbor was concerned because they have his phone number, and he wasn't answering his phone. his cell phone, so they started getting worried and had the troopers come out and do a wellness check. And my cameras, I can see a lot with my cameras, so I got caught up in just the state trooper showing up. But here he has a new cell phone number, and he's out in Seattle, so he's alive. But after that, I didn't do anything. And making stew. It's a good stew day, isn't it? So as soon as I get done here, I gotta go and get the crock pot set up. Nothing beats a good hearty stew with some crusty bread. And then maybe list. Maybe. Need to. Want to. There's that. Let me see. More airplanes, space shuttles. Yeah, a lot of my orders are airline space related today. Another one. I think this is going overseas. Yep. He buys from me all the time. I think he buys from me all the time. No, maybe it's his first purchase. Klaus. I would say Germany. And so do you have any, I mean, you can see the comment. It was on yesterday's video about second store categories. If you have any other further suggestions. I don't know. I wonder how many people actually, when they're searching through cards or searching for cards, how many people actually shop your store and actually use categories to narrow stuff down. I don't know. I don't know if there's stats out there. Hey, one of you eBay know-it-all analytics algorithm people, why don't you tell me? I'd like to know. When I first signed up for the store, I don't know, 10 years ago or however long it was, I just used it for the listings. And when I first started out, I really didn't have store categories. I do have categories now, but they're not the best. I need to add some, take some out. But I don't know. I would just be curious to know. There's that one. I think this is it. Okay. Am I out of sleeves? Out of sleeves. But anybody else have any questions, let me know. Do my best to answer them. May not be the right answer, but it's an answer. Okay, quick refresh. Nada. Okay, everybody. Oh, let's check postcard shows. So this weekend, Oldsmar, Florida, 2-day show. I don't know how many vendors, Kevin. I think you watch my videos. How many vendors you got there? I thought about this one, but the Valentine's Day probably should. Although, hey, wife, you want to take a Valentine's getaway trip to South Carolina? Yeah, Oklahoma in February. Yeah, that'll probably be the next one I go to. It'll be here before I know it. Okay, everybody, that's it. Again, hope your sales are good. Let me know in the comments what is your go-to crock pot recipe for cold-ass days. I've already done chili. Chili was Sunday. So today's stew. Okay, everybody. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye-bye.